Hi, I'm Rachel from Jimmy Bean's Wool, and today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about block 14 of the Cascade Yarn Diagonal Afghan. Alright, so here is block 14, and you can see we have some really cool geometry, shaping and patterning going on here with our kind of diamond shapes. Or I guess it's a hexagon. Yeah, 6 sides, hexagon. So this center one here is sort of like the focal point, and then you've got the two going off to the side. And what's neat about this square is that while it's not exactly reversible, the wrong side is kind of a mirror image. Like you can see on the right side, we had a reverse stockinette center on this one, and then on this side it's actually stockinette, and these are reverse stockinette. So if you really want to make sure you keep track of which side you're looking at, you can see we put a stitch marker here down where we cast on, so that you can see that this is the right side of your work, and it'll probably help you stay on track as you're working through it, because you're really just doing knits and purls, and sometimes it's kind of easy to get lost in just that rhythm of knits and purls that shift through the pattern. So you might think about doing that to help you keep track of right and wrong. Or maybe you like the wrong side better and just want that to be your right side. You know what? You are in charge of your own knitting. You can do whatever you want. But anyway, yeah, very simple square. You just need knits and purls, and if you need a reminder on how to do that, just check out our basic techniques video. There'll be a link in the upper right corner, and let us know if you have any questions. All right, so that was block 14. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you back here in 2 weeks. I'm Rachel. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing, because we have a lot more yarn reviews, tutorials, and other fiber fun like that. Happy crafting!